Okay, so a friend has asked me how to share stuff that he finds on Instagram to his business page. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Friend happens to be managing the RPM Nationals Classic Ford races that happen in Central California every year, and this year is no exception. So they need to get the word out. So what he wants to do is find the image that he wants to share. Underneath, you get this little paper airplane icon. You click on it, and then you choose share to Facebook. It's that easy, almost. Firstly, it helps to be logged into Facebook, which I am. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And then eventually it loads something that looks like a Facebook page. What's really important is that you share it to the right place. I could share it just to my personal account, but my friend wants to share it to a page that he manages. And I don't think I manage that page, but see, when I click share on a page that you manage, it immediately comes up with a dialog that allows you to select that page. Like I said, I don't have his page, but I can put it on my company page saying, just creating a little video on sharing Instagram to Facebook. Okay, all good. Posting as E7 Systems. I guess I could change that to myself or my company identity. We'll go ahead and leave it my company identity. And somewhere on the page here, I have to scroll around. This gigantic, skinny little button is going to make it all happen for us. And it closes the tab and gets right back to Instagram. We close this dialog and we can go find the next thing I want to share. Oh, hey, here's another one. We can just do it again as many times as we like. That's the end of the video.